How does sterilization work? Let's have a look. It's a permanent method for people who are sure that they don't want to have any more children. It's available for both women and men, and it's performed by a trained doctor only. So how to use it?
For the sterilization of women, there is either the surgical option by tying and cutting the tubes or the non-surgical option by blocking the tubes.
In men, it's a surgical procedure called vasectomy in which the sperm-carrying ducts are cut. Sometimes it is possible to reverse the operation, but there are no guarantees. Talk to your doctor because this option means you will never be able to have children again.
Some pros are: it lasts forever, is highly effective, and doesn't interrupt sex.
Some cons are, well, it lasts forever. It requires a doctor to do it, and it doesn't protect against sexually transmitted infections like HIV and AIDS.
Find further information about sterilization on our website. And take our Which Contraception is Right for Me quiz to find the method that suits you best.